Dedicated to the members of the Merrimack Valley Bird Club and the Merrimack River Watershed Council, this video reveals the action after our Crow Walk attendees left for the night. With nearly 40 participants watching from the Old Erie Bridge, the crows hesitated to return to their roost in the corner of Pemberton Park. But just 10 minutes after everyone departed, the magic began. Crows lifted off from rooftops, trees, and the ground, converging into the roost, though many lingered near the old Merrimac Paper site, delaying their final settling in for well over an hour. Thanks to a thermal drone, we captured stunning footage in white hot, black hot, and other color palettes, revealing the crows' movements with incredible clarity while respecting an established buffer zone. Using a 7x zoom thermal camera, we captured their roosting behavior in remarkable detail. Enjoy this rare and mesmerizing look at the winter crow roost.